Hola! The book that I am going to read to you guys today is called Icky Bug Shapes. And I'm kind of excited about this book because it has shapes and it has bugs. And I was looking at the pictures. I was kind of like, maybe this is fiction. It doesn't have real pictures of bugs and their shapes. But the more that I read it, I would consider this book to be real information because it's telling you true information about bugs and shapes. So tell me what you think. But this book is called Icky Bug Shapes, and it is written by Jerry Pallotta and illustrated by Shannon Bersani. It's a scholastic book from the book fair. Okay, so let me know what you think as I read. Leafcutter ants live underground. They live in huge nests. Some of these nests hold more than 1 million ants. These ants are on their way to work. So far, this is true. It seems like it's real information, nonfiction. Every ant has a job to do. Some leafcutter ants are scouts. They tell other leafcutter ants where to find the nice leaves. The leafcutter ants start walking up the tree. Up they go toward the juicy leaves. The ants with big jaws do the cutting. The largest ants are the guards. They protect the other ants. All leafcutter ants work as a team. Wow, so they all have different jobs and different things that they have to do in order to reach a common goal, which is to get leaves because they're leafcutter ants. Triangle. Leafcutter ants have jaws like scissors. This ant just cut out a triangle. A triangle is a shape with 3 straight sides. Each side of this triangle is the same length. Here is a triangle spider. Most spiders are round. As you can see, this spider has a body shaped like a triangle. The triangle spider uses its thorny front legs to catch bugs. So I did not know that this existed, guys. A triangle spider. So maybe that's why it's called bug shapes, is because it's real bugs that exist that we didn't even know that had shapes on it. Let's see. No, this is not an alien from another planet. This is the face of a praying mantis. This insect's head is shaped like a triangle. That's true. Now that you are experts at finding triangles, look at this bug. Can you see a triangle shape on its body? Circle. This leafcutter ant just cut out a perfect circle. A circle is a round shape. It has no straight lines. Each point on the edge of a circle is the same distance to the center. Okay, so you guys know what a circle is. Let's find out about it. These colorful butterflies have circular shapes on the underside of their wings. Why would they have them? Are they a warning to stay away? Or are they fake eyes? Do the circles attract other butterflies? No one is really sure. Scientists know that these butterflies have circles. But why do you think they have circles? Is it to defend themselves? So it looks like eyes? Bumblebees are fuzzy all over. These are not bumblebees. They are carpenter bees. They have a smooth, shiny abdomen. Carpenter bees make their nests by chewing holes into wood. They can even chew a circle into the side of a house. So these are different. Oh, I think I've seen these. These are like the big black shiny bees. They are carpenter bees and they are looking for wood. They want to chew holes in wood. So if you see one of these, I don't think they have a stinger. They just want to look for wood. Let's see. Here is a weevil from Southeast Asia. It looks like someone designed it in art class. There are shapes everywhere in nature. So look at this is called, has E-double-E, a weevil. I did not know this. This is real information. Okay, now we're going to talk about square shapes. The leafcutter ant cut out a square. A square is a shape with four sides that are the same length. All four corners of a square are at right angles, just like the page of this book. Here are two moths, back to back. Okay? Their bodies are positioned just right to make a square. A square is a very hard shape to find in the wild. You can see the right angle in the corners. Four hungry caterpillars are looking for one tasty leaf. One is walking left, one is moving right, one is going up, and one is traveling down. As they inch along, the square shape will disappear. Here are two lacewings. They have stopped to take a rest on a clothesline. Each lacewing has four wings. Their long, skinny hind wings line up to form a square. I don't think I've ever seen those. Those are cool. Lacewings. Guess what shape is next? Starts with an O. Oval. This leafcutter ant cut out an oval. An oval is a shape that looks like a stretched circle. The wind just blew this ant off the tree. Whoa, there it goes. Take a look at this grasshopper. Can you find an oval shape on its body? You're right. Its eye is shaped like an oval. Here are some oval-shaped ladybugs. Most ladybugs have polka dots. These Australian ladybugs have zigzag designs on their backs. Ooh, so you would find these in Australia, Australian ladybugs. Longhorn beetles have unusually long antennas. These are so long that they stretch around the beetle's body and make an oval shape. Whoa, I did not know that. That is real. So cool. This is why I love informational books, is because you always learn something new. What do you think the next shape is? It's a rectangle. Here's a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four right angles. The sides next to each other are different lengths. The opposite sides are the same length. So it has the two long sides and then the two short sides. Walking sticks do not look like bugs. They look like twigs or sticks. Two of them are walking from one branch to another to form a rectangle. Stick bugs are really cool because they do actually look like sticks. The net casting spider is very clever. It builds a web and then throws it on a bug, trying to catch. Sometimes the web is shaped like a rectangle. So look at it makes its own web and then kind of like tries to catch a bug. This cicada has rectangle designs on its wings. Cicadas are the loudest of all insects. They make a buzzing sound. Have you ever been walking by a tree and you heard a noise? Sounds like a bunch of bugs. Those are cicadas making those sounds in the tree. Oh, ooh, I don't know if you remember this next shape. I'll show it to you. Do you remember? It has five sides. It's called a pentagon. There are leafcutter bees too. These leafcutter bees cut out a pentagon shape. A pentagon is a shape that has 5 sides. There it is. A mother beetle just laid her eggs in the shape of a pentagon. The markings on the eggs make them look more like happy faces. More bugs coming soon. Wow, they do look like happy faces. But there's just different kinds of eggs that have dots and stuff in them. Ooh, remember a pentagon has 5. What is it called when it has 6 sides? Do you know? It's a hexagon. Sometimes leafcutter ants cut flower petals too. This leafcutter ant is carrying a hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. Hexagons are very common in nature. Bees and wasps make hexagon-shaped nests. These wasps chew wood to make this paper nest. I've seen that, or like a honeycomb, like when the bees make honey. It almost looks like a hexagon or a different shape. After a long walk, the leafcutter ants are coming home. They are carrying all these shapes down to their nests. You should recognize the shapes the ants have on this page that they are carrying. The rectangle, the oval, the square, the circle, and the triangle will soon all be underground. Inside the nest, the smaller leafcutter ants chop the leaves into tiny pieces. The pile of chewed leaves decays, fungus grows. The leafcutter ants eat the fungus. Ooh, delicious! They grow their own food. Wow, leafcutter ants are farmers. So no matter what shapes they cut out, the leafcutter ants just cut and they bring the leaves back. That's how they make their own food. It just keeps growing because it makes fungus, which is kind of gross, but it's real information. So never judge a book by its cover, because when I first saw this book, I thought for sure, because it had drawn illustrations, that it was probably fake or fiction. But after reading this book, a lot of the information is true and real, and it has real facts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this book, and I hope you have a good day.